So in this video I'm gonna share with you 5 Android features that would be help you in your day-to-day life. So let's get started. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yash and you are watching Sticky Tags. I have listed some features of mobile to make your life easier. Just look into my screen. In this way, in our list, first feature is split screen for multitasking. The most important highlight in Android is having the ability have two applications running on the screen simultaneously. It's convenient when you are taking meetings on Google Meet and checking emails, or when you are face calling a friend and scrolling the social media by the side. Furthermore, to enable the split screen mode on phones running Android 9 Pie or newer, you must. So this, check it out. Step 1. Open the app that you wish to use in split screen mode. Second, enter the recent apps screen by pressing the recent button. Third step, from this recent apps screen, select the app that you wish to run on the second screen of split screen view. In our list, second hidden feature is screen pinning, that is, lock people out of specific apps. We all have somewhere faced the problem of being asked of our phone by the people we don't want to show our personal data. Well, in such case, it's safe to lock such people out and prevent them from opening your apps such as WhatsApp, Gmail, or your photo gallery, which contains some of your private content which you want to keep it to yourself. So I am going to tell you some of the features available on your smartphone. For that, screen pinning is a such option which can help you keep your apps locked until and unless you enter the code which only you know. To enable that, follow these steps. First one, settings, then go to the security, then go turn on screen pinning. Second step, after turning it on, open the app, then open recent app screen, tap here, tap on the pin app, it remain pinned to front. Now that's all. Anyone can use it until you enter the password. Read notification in your phone. In our list, the third one feature is focus mode. You can take the app pausing concept even further with Android's built-in focus mode, something that is available on most devices running reasonably current Android versions. To check it out, look for the digital well-being section in your phone's system settings. Then look for focus mode in that area option. The specific implementation will vary from one device maker to the next, but in one way you will be able to create a list of apps that you occasionally want to silence, and then optionally set a schedule for those apps that will stop notifying you. Fourth one is one-handed mode. As today's phones continue to grow in size, they become harder and harder to operate one-handed. So, as in Android settings, one-handed mode is provided. To check it out, look for an advanced feature in your settings, then look for a one-handed mode, tap on it for activate the gesture and choose for the option button. Okay, that's it. Now by the double tapping on home screen button, you can use one-handed mode, and to exit this you just touch back area to full screen again. Fifth one is toggle between two applications. You can double tap on the recent button you can toggle between two recent applications. For example, first you open WhatsApp and then open YouTube. Now if you will double tap on the recent button, can toggle between WhatsApp and YouTube. This is going super fast ways to open the most recent apps and switch between them. So that's it for today, guys. Hope this video is helpful to you. Share this video to your closest ones. Thank you.